Putin price growth freeze to further sink power stocks. Bloomberg. Bloomberg.com. BusinessWeek.com. Bloomberg TV. Premium. Professional products. Bloomberg Anywhere. Bloomberg Tradebook. Industry products. Bloomberg Briefs. Bloomberg Government. Bloomberg Law. Bloomberg BNA. Bloomberg New Energy Finance. Bloomberg Sports. Enterprise Products Compliance Solutions. Data Solutions. Technology Solutions. Trading Solutions. This site uses cookies. By continuing to browse the site, you are agreeing to our use of cookies. X. Markup Snapshot US. Europe. Asia. Ticker volume price delta DJI 15300.60 negative 25.96 negative 0.17% SM page 501683.42 negative 5.71 negative 0.34% Nasdaq 3715.97 negative 9.04 negative 0.24%. Ticker volume price delta S0XX 52861.6 for negative 0.43 negative 0.02% FTSE 106,577.16 negative 11.8 to negative 0.18% DAX 8,507.33 plus 13.33 0.16%. Ticker volume price delta Nikkei 14,404.70 plus 17.40 0.12% Hang Seng 22,915.30 negative 38.4 for negative 0.17% SM page / ADX 205,219.63 negative 22.91 negative 0.44%. Bloomberg. Our company. Professional. Anywhere. Home. Quick. News. Opinion. Markup data. Personal finance. Tech. Politics. Sustainability. Luxury. TV. Video. Radio. Federal message muddled as taper meets slowing growth. 750. Hank Paulson, Financial Crisis, a 100-year storm. Wildcatter hunch unbox $1.5 trillion oil offshore U.S. Texans in dark on Obamacare as enrollment looms. 11. Lehman's cold, dead hand grasps for money. 144. Dressing the man, Paul Smith's classic checklist. Putin price growth freeze to further sink power stocks. By Haley Livia Casey Nia Kaluchko, 2013-09-13 T10:32:29Z. Russian power companies, the worst performers on the MICEX INDEX-CF index this year, will extend losses after President Vladimir Putin supported a measure to freeze utility prices next year, Renaissance Capital Limited said. 080 Russia Hydro, Russia's biggest renewable energy producer, tumbled 1.2% at 1:48 p.m. in Moscow after extending the biggest 12-month plunge on record in New York. Federal Grid Fees Company, the nation's power transmission monopoly, dropped for a second day in the Russian capital following the steepest decline in almost 2 weeks in London trading on September 12. The RTS index and benchmark MICEX retreated today. The group of utilities on the gauge have tumbled 31% in 2013, compared with a 1.3% gain for the broad index, according to data compiled by Bloomberg based on total returns. The Economy Ministry, which is seeking ways to slow consumer price growth, has proposed freezing utilities prices next year. President Putin supported the measure at a budget meeting September 11, Economy Minister Alexei Yukhayev said. There is no more hope, not even a chance, for those revenues and profits initially planned by utilities, Vladimir Sklyer, an analyst at Renaissance Capital, the investment bank controlled by billionaire Mikhail Prokhorov, said by phone from Moscow yesterday. Investors should look at Russian utilities as the government's tools for achieving certain macroeconomic indicators and not real companies. The sector will no doubt remain the worst performer among Russia stocks. Rate cut. Russia's central bank refrained from cutting its main interest rates today as policymakers await a decision on regulated tariffs with inflation still above target, even as the economy grows at its weakest pace since 2009. Bank OCI expects inflation to slow further in 2014, it said today. The RTS index RTSI dollars dropped 0.8% while the